Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. I'll be sharing with you a snack recipe today that can be stored in airtight container for about a week. These vermicelli balls are crisp from outside, sweet, and they leave a very mild flavor on your taste buds. Made with very few ingredients and in less than 10 minutes. You can also serve this dish as dessert for your guests. I made this for Eid and my guests really loved it. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification for latest updates. Thin vermicelli. This is the vermicelli which we use to make sheer khurma. Condensed milk 100 ml, a few cashew nuts, unsalted butter 2 tablespoons, chopped almonds 1 tablespoon. Heat up a non-stick pan. Add the vermicelli. Dry roast them on a very low flame. Make sure they don't burn for about 2 minutes. Check it with your fingers if they have turned hot. Switch off the flame and transfer it to a plate. Keep it aside. To the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and allow it to melt. This entire cooking process should be done on a very low flame. Once the butter melts, add 100 ml of condensed milk. Mix them well until they both combine together. Make sure the flame is low. This mixture can easily be burnt, so please don't move away from the stove top. Once you see this mixture boiling, add in the roasted vermicellis. Make sure you combine each part of the vermicelli with the condensed milk and butter. This is a very easy and delicious dessert recipe, which you can also have it as snack. Turn off the flame now and remove it in a bowl. Once this mixture is warm, start making the balls. Between your palms or using your fingers. Don't let the mixture to cool down completely, as it will be very difficult. As it will not get along to form a ball-sized shape. Similarly, make the vermicelli balls with the whole mixture. You can use a cashew or a badam to decorate it. I have used cashews so that the color goes contrast with it. The cashew will nicely settle in the vermicelli balls once they have been cooled down. Yes, they are ready to be served. You can pack them in the container. They are good to go for about a week. We all must be having some leftover savvy which we bought for the Ramzan. Go ahead and prepare this unique and delicious recipe for your family. As you can see that the cashew has settled well in the vermicelli balls. Leave a like and comment.
Thanks for watching and please do subscribe our channel.